Hi, I'm Paul. We are doing Leetcode, must know, interview questions. Today's challenge, length of last word. So the difficulty of coding challenges that you're going to get at an interview, it depends on the company. I mean, if it's a highly selective company, you'll get harder questions. And it depends on, how demanding their programming needs are. If they're more demanding, you'll get harder questions. Less demanding, you'll get easier questions. This challenge is rated easy because I guess they don't have a category easier than easy. This looks very easy to me. I mean, it looks like if you don't get this one, it's over. I mean, I hope I'm not speaking too soon, but I'm looking at it. What do we have to do? Given a string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. All right. Any constraints? There will be at least one word. Okay, well, that's good to know. It looks like the only thing tricky is that the the string. Well, the string is not guaranteed to be in any kind of standard, format as far as a complete sentence, anything like that. Looking at example 2, for example, there's a lot of extra spaces in there, including spaces at the end. Now, you could apply a trim function to the string, and that'll get rid of the spaces at the beginning and end, and then just go from there. You could just iterate through the string. I mean, it would probably make more sense if you were going to iterate through it to iterate from the end and then stop when you get to a space or you get to the beginning of the string. But I don't know. It actually looks even easier than that. Here, let's try this. String. Okay, let's try a string array equals s dot split, and we'll split it on a regular expression. 2 slashes, one's an escape character, S is white space, and plus is one or more spaces. So split it on one or more white space characters. Now we should have an array of words, and we could return, let's see, ARR. We would want ARR dot length minus 1. So the last word, and what is the length of that? I don't know. It really looks like that's all there is to it. Let's try running this. All right, so that's accepted, and if we submit, that's accepted. Okay, that is the runtime, 2 milliseconds, a little bit high. Memory, kind of in the middle. But that's it. And as always, feel free to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.